everyone, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. My name's Jen, and today I'm going to be sharing how easy it is to grow an avocado tree from a store-bought avocado. Here I have 2 avocado plants that were started from seed about 6 months ago. To get started, you will first need to remove and clean the avocado pit, aka the avocado seed. For my next step, I'll be filling my container about halfway with soil. The avocado seed has 2 sides, the top and the bottom. The flat end is the bottom. The top has a slight point. Avocados enjoy a sandy, loose, well-draining soil with a pH of 6.5 or lower. Avocado plants enjoy the sunlight. They require a minimum of 6 full hours of sunlight a day to fully thrive. After topping off my soil, I will be firming it down. Growing an avocado from seed can take anywhere from 5 to 13 years before the tree is mature enough to produce fruit. Or you can always purchase your favorite grafted variety from your local nursery. Grafting is important because avocados do not grow true to seed, meaning when the plant is grown from seed, they usually do not produce the same fruit true to the parent variety. Grafting avocado trees is considered necessary in order to obtain a larger quality fruit. Grafting can improve taste and can speed up the fruit-bearing process. The avocado plant produces male and female flowers, but the female and male flowers both mature at different times of day, which can prevent self-pollination. The avocado flowers are either type A or type B. Type A flowers are female in the morning and male in the afternoon, and type B flowers are male in the morning and female in the afternoon. For a larger yield of fruit and to have a more productive plant, it's best to plant at least 2 avocado trees near one another. Sometime during the spring, I plan on doing a video on the grafting process and to explain a little bit more in depth about type A and type B avocado plants. This avocado tree was started about 5 years ago from seed, and it will be getting grafted next season. Thanks for taking the time to watch Creative Grassroots. I'm Jen, and I'll see y'all next time.